Philips Soundbar T, a B7908. Main features are speaker maximum output power is 740 watts. Connectivity technology is Bluetooth. Audio output mode surround. Mounting type wall mount. Material is plastic, metal. Model name is TAB7908. Speaker type is soundbar. Special feature Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X. 5.1. 2 channels and 8 wireless subwoofer enjoy rich, clear sound and deep bass with 5.1. 2 channels, a center channel for voice clarity and a powerful 8 wireless subwoofer, perfect for your favorite playlist or the latest blockbuster. Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X technology, delivering incredible 3-dimensional surround sound. Choose from 4 preset EQ modes on this smart soundbar, including Stadium EQ mode, bringing the immersive, ambient crowd experience home while retaining crystal-clear commentary. Stream playlists from smart devices via Bluetooth 5.3, or use audio in, optical in, USB or HDMI out, ear to seamlessly connect to other audio sources. Take control with Philips EaseLink, letting you adjust EQ bass, treble, or volume on your device or soundbar with only one remote, while Roku TV Ready compatibility offers a simple setup and quick settings.